Oh man, we're getting speed. These things are fast. Whoa, these things are fast. Hello my friends, welcome back to another unboxing. For today's video, we're checking out a pair of roller blades. So, come on, let's go ahead and see what they look like. Wow, these are really stylish, guys. Check this out. And what's nice about them is they're so lightweight. I mean, back as a kid, obviously, growing up, they were so heavy. Like, these are really nice. Really, really nice. I like them a lot, guys. I mean, look at that. Really nice style. Nice support. I like the strap. So the strap is you push in the blue button here and you open it up and then you can press right here. This allows you to make it extra loose. Pull that out. You want to make it really tight. You go ahead and stick this in right in here and you just push it until it's tight. Snap it in place. Then right here you have a Velcro and you can make that really loose or you can make it really tight. You just pull it tight, strap it back down. Overall, very nice. These are very, very nice skates. I can't wait to try them out. So they do give you a little directions. They give you extra bolts in case you lose one. Just go around. They give you the tool, but go around just to make sure they're all tight before you go for your first roller blading. So let's test them out. Alright, so I definitely want to make them tighter. So guys, I want to give a fair warning. I have not rollerbladed since I was a kid. So I am not sure what I'm expecting here. But we'll see. We will see. Oh man, I used to rollerblade when I was a kid and in my teens, but I have not probably since I was, I don't know, it's been a long time. Oh, this is definitely strange. All right, so I definitely want to make them tighter. That was interesting. So we're just gonna do a full show you guys how fast we actually get here. And this is here. I'll hold it like the side. Like we're moving. I mean, we're moving pretty good. Wow. I forgot what a workout this really is. So here's a pro tip for everyone. Wear socks that allow you to bring them higher than the rollerblade. This will help prevent your skin rubbing against and getting blisters. All right guys, so I got a couple opinions for the brand. This is how my shoestring came, threaded. I did break the strap. At the connection end. It needs to be made a little bit stronger. So this strap that goes like from there around, I broke. I didn't really pull that hard. I mean, I was pulling pretty hard just to make it tight. So with that being said, let's clean this up. We don't want to make a mess here. All right, let me catch my breath to give my final review. All right guys, I actually really do like these skates. I'm so disappointed that the strap broke. and the string came frayed a little bit. But as you guys saw, the strap broke before I was actually riding or actually rollerblading. So you guys could see I could rollerblade fine with the strap being broke. So maybe just a key note for the manufacturer to maybe make that Velcro a little stronger and the bracket a little stronger to hold so it doesn't bend and break. But the wheels, you guys get speed. Like, these are fast rollerblades, very fast. I'm actually still happy with them. I'm gonna actually put on my own strap for the one that we broke, but I am very happy with it. Again, I did not realize. I mean, I knew rollerblading is a good workout, but man, I did not fall once, which is crazy because it's probably been 10 plus years since, oh, probably longer than 10 years since I rollerbladed. I'm very happy with them. That strap breaking is basically the only downfall, and I pulled pretty hard, so let's show you guys here. So this is the strap on the one, and we put it through the loop here like this, and we pulled it tight like this, and we pulled up to make it really tight, and that's when it actually broke. So it broke right in between here. The seam came apart and then also bent this a little bit. So if they make this seam right through here stronger and that stronger, we would have definitely given it a full 5-star rating. So if anyone's watching, customers watching, just don't pull super hard on the strap. It's not the most strongest strap, so don't go crazy. Yeah, besides that, I still give it a 4-star. So it still gets a very high rating because they are very nice. I don't think anyone's going to be disappointed. I'm an adult and the X large fit me. It fits tight, but that's good. You want them to fit tight. It's okay if your feet are a little crammed in there. But yeah, I am happy with them. Definitely, my personal opinion is a 4. Would have been a 5 if the strap was stronger. And that's just, you know, something that they can modify if they really want to or not. But overall, I'm still happy, and we're going to be using them for many years to come.